Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So this video is regarding the interview experience for material science department for MS program at IIT Madras. So I will explain overall procedure from selection mail to the offer mail. So regarding the interview experience, I will explain it a bit later. So let me introduce myself and the credentials for that. So my credentials are, my gate score was 418 and my category was EWS and my btech cgpa was 9.5. But I haven't gone to interview because it was offline interview at college. So I haven't gone to that interview. So in this video I will share the interview experience of one of my friend. So I will share the gate scores of that friend with you and also credentials. So these are the gate credentials that that friend has, and he also get offer from that department as well. So let's start the interview experience and overall the procedure. Okay, so I will explain the various stages of the selection process. So first stage is shortlisting mail, second one is the written test, and third one is the interview. So after the interview you will get offer. So one of my friend Javed got a shortlisting mail on the basis of XC score. So you can apply through XC department as well. So I will explain about the written test. So written test was nearly like a question paper consisting of 30 to 40 questions. In that mail they have mentioned like 80% questions will be from material science and 20% questions will be from mathematics. But as of my friend said, most of the questions are from material science and very few questions are from maths or aptitude. So regarding the written test, I am giving you the questions on the screen so that you can have a rough idea regarding material science and mathematics. So these are the questions that my friend shared with me regarding the written test questions. So you can see these questions. So these are the different topics that questions were asked from. So written test will be around 1.5 hours. They will give sufficient time to solve it. And the best part of the written test is like they will not eliminate anyone. So as of my friend said, there were only 2 to 3 people out of 30 to 40 students were eliminated. So there is no like fearing part about the written test. And one important thing in the written test, so they will give a rough paper with you for solving the questions, and we have to attach that rough paper to our answer sheet. Why? Because they will see the approach regarding us, like what we are doing with the questions, what approach we are doing for the solving the questions. So it doesn't matter like your answer is wrong or right. So if even if you are wrong, they will see what approach you have put, and then anyway they will shortlist for interview, and shortlisting is purely basis upon your gate score and cgpa. So written test is like just qualifying, and it will everyone will qualify in that. So this is regarding written test. So few points regarding the procedure are like a written test and interview will be offline. So you have to go to college, and I think there were only 2 days in which whole procedure takes place. A lot of students will complete all procedure in 1 day itself. But for some people, interview is at tomorrow, as I remember, as my friend said. So we have to do our accommodation by ourselves. It was clearly mentioned in the mail like you have to accommodate, you have to live on your expenses. The college will not provide anything. So there is one idea like if any friend is living in the college, then you can manage in the college as well. So you can stay easily at anywhere outside the campus or inside the campus. That is not the issue. So this is regarding written test. Let's start the interview experience of my friend Javed. Okay, regarding the interview, so let me share the basic idea about the interview. So there were 5 faculties, and those 5 faculties are from material science department, and the interview went around 15 to 20 minutes. So as my friend went for the interview, so like first question where are from technical, they will not ask your self introduction or any HR related questions. So interview will be purely on technical part. So first question of my friend was like, why I choose the material science department instead of mechanical, because you are from mechanical department. So why choose material science, and in material science what is the specialization that you want to do the research. So this was the like first question, and the very first technical question that they have asked. And after that they have go to like various fields. So they asked my friend like what specialization you want to do, and one of my friend tell like additive manufacturing. Then I directly ask like what is additive manufacturing and what are its procedure for additive manufacturing, take an example of it, and explain perform additive manufacturing and explain the whole procedure of it. So it depends upon the students what a student is answering to the questions. So these are the interview questions that my friend has faced in the interview. So questions are from purely material science department, so it will not depend upon purely mechanical department. So it is only about material part. They will not ask any core subjects questions. So as you can see on the screen, these are only material science questions. So after that, only 5 faculties were there. Every faculty will ask for 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes only. So after 20 to 15 minutes, interview was over, and that faculty said like faculty was very really helpful, and they are very humble. They are like supporting every student for giving hints for answer, and each questions were asked from the previous answer. So you must have sure idea regarding your answers, because if you answer the wrong, they will that faculty will go again deep and check your concept. So give a proper answer. Don't fear while giving your answer. If you are not confident, then tell the faculty like, I am not sure about this, but I have some idea regarding this. So this is regarding interview part. So my friend got selected in that department, material science department, on the XC score. So it was a like a great thing to achieve. Like he performed only XC score and he got selected at IIT Madras. So huge congratulations to my friend. And this is about the interview. So let me share the few tips that you can follow for your interview in the future. Okay, so here are some few tips that I want to share with you guys regarding the selection procedure. So selection is purely depends upon your interview and somewhat about gate score as well. So you should be goodly prepared for your interview, have like good knowledge of material science, and the most important thing is like whatever the research that you have chosen in the material science, make a thorough knowledge of that, make a note of everything, like application procedure, what are its future prospects and various future applications, and what are the various methods that we can use that method and have a great innovation from that method. So this is regarding the general ideas regarding that your research part. And second tip is like just be thoroughly prepared for the material science part, because as this year's interview, so faculties were only asking from material science, they are not asking from any mechanical department subjects. So just prepare thoroughly material science and metallurgy and whatever the research part that you have chosen. Third tip is like don't give unrelated answers, like whatever the questions they are asking. If you don't have idea, just clearly say like, I don't have idea, because whatever I observed in the interview, so if you put the wrong answer, they will again ask deep questions from that, and you will get you will get trapped easily. So if you don't have idea, just clearly say that I don't have idea, but I have this point in my mind, so I'm not sure, but I know this. So like be honest with the interviewer. If you're not knowing anything, just say no, because they will easily catch your answer and they will easily trap you. So it will not create a better impression on the faculty that you are giving wrong answers everywhere. So this was the third tip. And fourth tip is like, be confident in the interview, have faith in yourself, because you have studied well and you will also perform well. So every faculty is humble and they will support you for answering that. So don't get feared of the interview. And that's it for this video. So if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share to your friends, and mostly I have put every interview experience on this playlist. So for all department of IIT Madras, I have put interview experience in my playlist, so you can watch all playlist of mine. And I have also put my form and that research proposal on my Telegram channel and Instagram channel, so you can go to there and check that research proposal which are shortlisted for every department. So best of luck guys, thanks for watching, see you on the next video.